Hi everyone, this is Pakistani Pepper, aka Abdulrahman Siddiqui. Today I'm going to show you a really simple way to connect to Wi-Fi on PC. Whenever you're on a PC computer, you're going to notice a bunch of little icons here. One of the first ones that's always there is this little tiny one, which says, which looks like the lines on like a signal basically, next to the volume. And right now when I hover over it, it says not connected, connections are available. So when I click on that, it's going to show me a list of all the Wi-Fi connections that are currently available to me. So here I'm going to have to find the Wi-Fi that's either at my house or at my guest's house. And I'm going to say something like, do you actually have it? Like, what's the Wi-Fi password? So I know this is my Wi-Fi. And when it says connect automatically, the first time you try to do it, it's going to ask for your password. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click that, and I'm going to put in that password. And then when I hit enter, it's going to say verify and connect, and voila, I am connected to the internet. Now I can go on the internet, I can go on Google, I can type in how to connect to Wi-Fi so I can watch awesome Pakistani Pepper videos on YouTube. And wow, it literally shows nothing about awesome Pakistani Pepper videos on YouTube. That should tell you how messed up Google is. Anyway, this is Pakistani Pepper saying peace out, stay peppery, and don't forget, sometimes life's best lessons are in the stories we hear least. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Have an awesome day, guys. Get home safely.